Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel.
Hello, this is Anna. My name is Mike. I'm an American. She's Filipina. She's the love of my life, my soulmate, my best friend, my everything. Today, it's a long discussion that we've been having about learning her native original language, her language, Bisaya. Of course, I've been learning Tagalog, but been having some difficulties, but we're learning as much as we can. Oh, I'm learning as much as I can. So today we're going to try a little lesson. Uh, just bear with us, I'm going to make a lot of mistakes, maybe embarrass myself. Who the hell knows?
Okay, so today I'm going to teach Mike basic Bisaya words. Okay? Are you ready?
Opo, that's
Okay.
Tagalog.
Before I taught Mike about Bisaya words, but not the problem. The only concern is he loves to joke at me. So
That's not true.
yes, that's true. You did it. Yeah, you love to joke. That's why we didn't continue because he's a joker. Okay, so let's
Well,
start.
I start joking. I'm sorry, sweetheart. I start joking when I get a little stressed out. You know how it is. I'm pretty sure you've gone through the same thing. Get a little stressed. I'm gonna joke a little bit. Break the monopoly. Break the ice, like we say in the U.S.
Yeah, okay, so let's start. So this is basic, okay?
Hmm.
So I will tell you in English and then I'm going to translate it to Bisaya words. Okay, so this is really uh, this is basic. Okay,
Basic.
the first
I
word
like
is,
basic.
or the first phrases is, I have here a kudigo. So the first one is maayong adlaw. So maayo means good. Adlaw means day. So maayong adlaw. So we just add two letters which is the NG. So to become maayong. Okay? Maayong adlaw. Good day. Okay? So I want you to repeat after me. Maayong adlaw.
Maayong. Maayong.
Louder.
Oh, I'm sorry. Maayong.
Maayong
Mayong.
ma
Ma.
a
A.
yung
Yeah. Maanyong.
ma
Maanyong.
ma
Ma.
a
A.
yung
Yung.
maayong adlaw.
It's pretty difficult.
Okay, slowly. Maayong
Maayong.
adlaw.
At loud.
Ad
Like at loud.
not at loud. Ad
Ad.
ed
At
adlaw.
at loud.
Yes, maayong adlaw.
Okay, maayong at loud.
Adlaw, which means good day. Okay, say maayong adlaw.
Maayong.
Maayong
Maayong. At loud.
adlaw.
At loud.
Ad
Ah,
adlaw.
At loud.
Okay.
Like
So you
At
always,
loud. Like at loud.
not at loud, ad
Yeah, at loud.
adlaw.
At loud.
Ad
Like
not
that with the lip.
not
At
adlaw, adlaw.
At loud. Yeah, beautiful.
Okay, so always remember the word maayong, okay? The next
Maayong.
maayong. So the second one
Like
is
IOU. Maayong.
the second one, this is the problem. So the second one is maayong buntag. Okay.
Okay, maayong buntag.
Yeah, buntag means good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, maayong buntag. Okay, repeat after me.
It's a very, very long word.
Yeah, yeah. What can
Not
you
like
do?
Spanish. Like
Yeah, yeah,
Spanish.
yeah. But we're not into Spanish.
Yeah, but-
Later on, we'll do a video. You will teach me Spanish, okay?
For
From
example,
English to
okay,
Spanish.
I got you.
No, but this time I'm going to teach you the Bisaya because this is good, right? Because when we go to our province, to my province, then he can understand just a little bit, just few words, and it's good. Okay, so maayong
Maayong
buntag.
butang.
Buntag.
Tag.
Boon
Boon
tag.
tag.
Yeah, like tag.
Yeah.
Boon tag.
Boon tag.
Yeah,
It's like a song. Boon tag.
Maayong.
Maayong boon tag.
Maayong buntag. That's
Honey, but
what.
that's how some people learn language to meet. They
Yeah,
make
yeah,
it
yeah,
into
yeah,
music.
yeah. You're absolutely right. But we're not into music, okay?
Okay, can I kiss you?
Later. Okay, what is that? What is that
Maayong,
word?
Maayong.
Maayong
Maayong boon tag.
buntag means good.
Like boot tag.
Maayong
Boot
buntag
tag.
means good morning. Okay,
Ah.
next. The
Next.
third one is good noon.
Good afternoon.
No, good noon.
Good noon.
Yeah, good noon means maayong
Maayong.
udto. Udto.
Maayong utu.
Udto.
Utu.
Not to, udto.
Utu. That sounds like a very bad word, honey.
No, that's not bad word. What are you
I
talking?
know what that word.
Maayong udto.
I know what that word means.
What is that word?
Mayong what?
Maayong udto.
Mayong utu. Like mayong buto. Like that. I know what that means.
That's not true.
I think she's trying to teach me bad words.
That's not true. Maayong? Yeah,
Maayong.
I'm serious. Maayong udto.
Okay. Mayong.
Maayong
Mayong. Yeah.
udto
Utu.
means good noon.
Good afternoon.
Good noon. We're in good noon.
That's like
Good
broken
afternoon
English.
is different. Sige na. Good noon.
Good noon.
Yes. Okay. So the next one is good afternoon. Okay.
Isn't that the same thing?
No, that's different.
Why? Because you're adding just good to it?
No, that's different. Udto and hapon. I say good afternoon. Say good afternoon. And in Bisaya is maayong hapon. Okay.
Mayong. Mayon.
Maayong.
Maayong.
Maayong
Maayong. Hapo.
hapon.
Hapon.
Not hapon like Japan. Hapon. Hapon.
Hapon.
Hapon.
Hapon. Like jump on.
Hapon.
Hop
Okay,
on.
next.
Like hop on.
No, hapon. Not
Yeah.
hapon. Hapon.
Hapon. But you're saying it with a P.
Yeah, hapon. Yeah, it's letter P.
Right.
Not
Okay, but
not
when you
letter
say
F.
when you say just look at me. Hapon.
Hapon.
Look at me. Hapon.
Hapon. Okay. Anyway,
You
next
need to come closer when you do that.
next is good evening.
Good evening.
Yes, in Bisaya is maayong gabi.
Everything is my own.
Yeah, I told you, everything is maayong.
My
The
own.
only one that changed is
The last.
the last word. Okay, maayong gabi.
That's easy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me. It's
Mayong
easy though.
Gabi.
Yes, very good. Maayong
Gabi.
gabi.
Like get on the jeepney. Get on the jeepney. Magbi'i. Like that.
Okay.
It has almost the same rhyme.
Yeah. Okay, so
How you say I love you in Bisaya?
I love you in Bisaya. I love you in Bisaya daw. Okay. Gihigugma
Gihiguma
ko ikaw.
ko ikaw.
Yes, I love you.
But I think Tagalog sounds nice.
Yeah.
Mahal kita. Sobra, sobra. It's very easy.
Wrong
Also in
grammar.
Spanish. Yo te
Okay.
quiero. Yo te quiero mucho.
No. We will do a
Yo te
video about
quiero
that one.
mucho, mi
Honey,
amor.
please, baby. Okay. So we will make it in English, in sentence. Okay.
But don't make it too difficult.
No,
It's my
difficult.
first video. I don't want to be embarrassed.
Okay. For example,
Maybe the people will not watch it. They'll like put thumbs down. Oh, by the way, if you haven't subscribed already, please do. Put your notifications on, so when we do post another video, you'll be notified. And thank you for your subscription. Well, actually, subscribing. So support us while we support others. Thank you so much.
thank you.
Maraming salamat. Muchas gracias.
Okay, darling. So,
Parlez-vous français?
we will make it in a sentence. Okay?
Okay.
Like for example, a person like for example Charles. Okay? So, you will use it in sentence like for example Charles, maayong buntag, like that. Or you
why
can
don't
say
I just say your name?
yeah, or you can say, maayong buntag, Charles. And then Charles will reply it to you, maayong buntag, pud. Charles will add pud. P-U-D. Pud. Maayong buntag, pud, Mike. Like that.
Oh,
Like
that's
for
pretty
example me,
long.
Ana. maayong udto ana, or ana, maayong udto, like that. Okay, can you
So
try?
that's in the next video?
No, that's not. I'm just giving you when you make it into sentence.
Right, so that's gonna be now, or we're gonna make another video with that?
No, we will not make another video. This is the video.
That was
Okay,
part
just
two.
try, just try.
Okay.
Like, good morning, Charles. Maayong buntag, Charles. Okay.
Maayong, maayong, maayong,
Maayong.
maayong.
Maay-
Buntag, Charles.
Yes, or you can say it, Charles, maayong buntag, or okay, you can say it
Anna,
to me.
maayong buntag, Charles. Right?
Yeah, louder.
I did.
Again, not
Anna, maayong,
maayong.
maayong.
Ma,
It sounds like onions. Maayong.
maayong,
Maayong.
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 Ma,
Ma.
a.
Like ma.
No, mom, there's no M. Ma,
Ma. Like ma.
a,
Ah.
yung.
Maayong.
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 Maayong buntag, ana.
Maayong bunta, ana.
Maayong buntag, food, Mike. How about afternoon?
That's in the
Maayong.
next video.
Mayo. Okay, so that's all. I think he's
No, it's it's a little difficult. But
I hope
it's
you
not
enjoy our
impossible.
video.
It's okay, it's we try to have a little fun and make it worthwhile. But I appreciate the language, and I appreciate the culture. Much love and respect to the Bisayan people. Here's an example of my Bisaya. I love my mama. And anyway, if you guys have any questions for us, we'll do our best to answer them. That's it. Do you have any other questions?
No, that's it for today. So we will see you on our other next video. If you didn't subscribe, please subscribe. Support us. Let's support one another.
Hit the like button and share. If you have other friends that maybe they have relationships with foreigners, doesn't matter, any kind of foreigner, whether it be American, European, African, doesn't matter. We're all human beings. We're all creations of God. And we all have humanity in our heart, empathy for everyone. So with the love of an American, the love of Filipina, as our history goes back a long, long way. I love the Philippines. I love the Bisayan people, and I love the culture. And of course, most beautiful woman in the world. What can I tell you?
Okay, thank you for watching.
Maraming salamat. Thank you.